So I just recorded a video for you guys on how to add more spice to your Instagram stories, as I call it, really just adding different colors and how to do rainbow font. So what I did with that is I did the screen record. I turned my mic on as well, and I'm using my AirPods, and I recorded that. It came to 45 seconds. And as you know, Instagram does not allow you to upload videos longer than 15 seconds at a time for Instagram stories, I should add. So what I'm going to do so I can put it on Instagram stories is I have an app called Cut Story. And what you do is if you don't have it, download that. It's free. And then you can just do video. I'm going to upload the video
So
that I
this video is
just
going to
did.
show you
See?
how to add a little bit more
And
spice.
then the bottom right hand corner is the download button, and then I can choose which duration I want. So you can see that each application allows you to have certain uploads. So Instagram, you see 15 seconds. So I'm actually going to do that. And so what's going to happen is they're going to cut up my story to be seamless into, for this one, just 3 parts because it was 45 seconds. And then as you saw, like Facebook is 20 seconds, Instagram TV is 10 minutes. So you can also do it for that if you have a longer video. You could do like part one, part two, something like that. So now it cut and saved, and then I will hit this. And then now it's just saved within my, excuse me, within my photos. So then what I'll do next is I will just go into Instagram, and here I still have that up from my video, and I will just discard that, and then I can swipe up and you can see my videos here. So I can do this and I can, have it however I want and write on it, do whatever, and then I can add it to my stories so you guys can see where I put it. And then I will probably end up putting this into my highlight page called Brand Tips. So you can go back and refer back to that later, but I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any other questions, just leave your questions in the comments below.
So this video is going to show you how to add a little bit more spice to your Instagram stories. The first thing is just grab a photo from your photo roll. So just swipe up and select a photo. And then let's just say I'm going to type my name. If you are unfamiliar how to find more colors than just these below, what you will do is you will just tap and hold on one of them and you see the whole color wheel comes up here, right? So then if you want to do like a rainbow font, you're going to tap and hold, select all, and then tap and hold one of the colors. And while you slide that across, you're also going to take the top one and you're going to slide it across like that. See? And there you go.